Well, in one way, I was reading and I said genius is the ability to bring all of ourselves to the field unapologetically. Then the question is, if you're bringing all of yourself to the field, who are you in the field then? And what is the quality of that genius in the field? Yeah, coherence is knowing your ability to know where you are when you bring all of you to the field. Coherence is knowing who you are, where you are. Or in those contexts, am I fighting? Am I flighting? That means I'm running away from it. Am I avoiding the context? Am I freezing? Or am I having anachronistic fun, anachronistic behavioral expression? Which means I'm pleasing people, which means I'm throwing things. I can collaborate. Collaboration is proof that I'm not threatened. Competition is proof that I believe there is lack and I believe I'm not enough. I'm not enough comes from concept of self. I want to ask you what's your context? And I want you to ask yourself what's your context? Because context is king. Everything else is content because your truth is within the context. What is your context? And if you don't understand your context, you're hitting nowhere. I want you to ask yourself what is the context? You can play Holi, but not on Christmas, huh? You can play Christmas, but not on another day. Context is important. Any behavior out of context is inappropriate. Anger is good. Pleasing people is good, but not when you're afraid. The understanding of high performing is my ability to be more of this, no matter what life throws at me. That's a high performing individual. How do you define a high performing individual? He's rested, he can comprehend, he can create in the face of adversity. You tell him there is a lockdown, no problem, we'll do something good. You tell him there is a problem, there's a war, he'll say, don't worry, we'll take care of that. He'll say that, well, there is something really horrible that's happening in the Middle East. He'll say, don't worry. A genius is how quickly can you come back here, no matter your life is here, no matter your contexts are here. That's coherence. Coherence is to know that I know that I'm fighting. I know I'm freezing. I know, I know life has given me the neuromuscular locks. I can go backwards, I can go forward, and I can go inward. If I go backwards, I can uncover, I can see what's there. In counseling, we take them back and we say, go back. What do you see? They say, well, what I see when I was of age 10, something happened to me. Okay. Yeah, I can go backwards. Or I can go forward and see, well, get into life, get into the future and see when you stand there after 10 years, accomplishing what you wanted to accomplish, what do you see? I can go forward. Or I can go inward and see what's happening inside. And let me end with this beautiful saying that Judy says. I put this up on the blog also. She says, life is the greatest ticket, is the biggest ticket to the greatest show on earth. Don't waste your ticket. She says, life is the biggest ticket to the greatest show on earth. Don't waste your ticket. Like, like Orpheus wasted that ticket. When you're not sensitive, when you're not aware, when you're not in your body, when you're disconnected, when you're restless, when you're in the split, when you're divided, you lose the ticket. I hope you don't lose your ticket.